Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with Castle Auto Sales and MVM. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2003 GMC Sierra 2500 long bed 8.1 liter Vortec. What I'm going to do, just like I do in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why I do these video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. Plus it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We do offer transport and delivery options. Just give me a call or a text for further details. Let's get these angles in here. This is a monster gas engine for the GMC, the 8.1 liter Vortec. Popular engine. See the long bed, US truck. Running boards, wheels and tires, rear tinted windows. Down to wheels and tires here in just a moment. Tow pack, of course. I'll block that sun glare the best I can here. It's definitely not my friend when we do these video walkarounds. Bed liner, doesn't look like they were towing with it at all. These angles in here for you. So wheels and tires, looks like tires are brand new. They're dang near new. I'm sure they are new. We'll get them inside here. Focus for me down in there. See that guy the best I can. Whoa, sun glare, sun glare. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. The sun is definitely not my friend when I do these video walkarounds. But for what this truck is, the year, it's in really good shape. Oh, looks like we have a little bit of a dent back here. Nothing horrible by any stretch. And it's an 03. Fog lights. Not sure if that's a dent. I'm sure that probably is, but just want to get it in the video for you. Alright, we'll get to the inside condition and features here. Widen this out. Here, I'll get the manufacturer sticker in there. Maybe to help with gearing ratios or something. Power windows, power locks. Driver's power seat. We get the condition of the seats here. Center console. Third seat in the front row, so if you need to seat 6, you're able. Passenger seat here. The headliner. Alright, let's grab the back seats here. Alright, let's get some features up front. Like aftermarket tow assist, 4-wheel drive, focus for me. Auto dim rear view mirror, stock stereo. Looks like factory tow assist here, but let's go ahead and turn it over real quick. There is the mileage there, but as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. And then we have the temperature compass up there as well. Here, I'll pop the hood on this one. Turn on some lights. Sure, why not? You got blinkers in the mirrors there. I do say in my videos, you know, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not going to pretend, but I like to get this stuff in here for you the best I can. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at some others, you have an idea what you're looking for. Plus, if there's any, you know, writing on the engine, any stickers over here, stuff like that, I like to get it in, especially aftermarket stuff. But as you can hear, it's running beautifully. Well, that's what I get for not dropping it a little bit. There we go. Well, guys, hopefully that helped answer some questions. You know, I'm sure it didn't answer them all, but if there's anything that I can do, you want me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Reach out, again, give me a call, give me a text. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully I can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.